welcome back to my channel, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off this Halloween tutorial by applying these Halloween tattoos on my face. I also applied some to my neck. I did get these from Walmart, so I did apply them where I thought it would look okay or nice, but I did only apply a few. I don't want it to look too crazy, so I just got one of my makeup wipes and I just wet it with some setting spray, and that's what I use to get the tattoo wet, to get it to stay on my skin. And I actually liked where I placed these. And then after that, I did go in with my primer. I used my Ulta Youthful Glow primer, and I put this all over my face in the spots where I didn't apply any primer. I didn't want to apply the primer before because then the tattoos weren't going to stick. And after that, I did start to apply my white face face paint all over my face. And then on top of that, I did put this Wet n Wild paint pot. It is holographic, so that's why I decided to put it on. And I also felt like the white paint wasn't full coverage enough, and this actually made it really super full coverage, so that's why I also applied it. And I actually liked how it came out. It looked really pretty. And then to set all this, I'm using my Catrice mattifying powder, and I just set wherever I applied the white face mask, just to make sure nothing creases and everything stays in place. And then I'm going to go ahead and start off with doing my eyes. It was really simple. So I did go in with my Morphe 35V palette, and I did mix these two shades right here, the purple one and the burgundy one, right on top of it. And I just put it around my eyes just to make me look a little bit tired and a little bit demonic. And then I did go in with the same black highlighter from Wet n Wild that I used in my last Halloween tutorial, and I put this on my lid and underneath my lashes just to tie everything together and really give it that demonic look. This is a really pretty shade. I really wouldn't use it for highlighter, but I do recommend it to apply as an eyeshadow. Then I did go in with lashes, of course. I used my Chloe lashes from AOA Studio from Shop Miss A. And then I did apply some mascara. I applied my Bella Pierre Volume Lash Waterproof Mascara. This is a really good mascara, you guys. I do recommend it. And I did go in with the black eyeshadow down my nose. I just felt that it needed some more dimension, so that's what I did. I did do it off camera. Everything that you see right now, I did do off camera because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, and I didn't realize the camera wasn't rolling when I did all of this. So I just got some fake blood and some fake blood scab, and I just put it all over. I just played around with it, and I put it on my face where I thought it would look good. And I did put some also on top of the tattoos to make them look a little bit more realistic in a way. And then for lips, I did use this crayon. Well, it came in one of the makeup kits that I bought from Walmart, and I just outlined my lips with it. And then the center of the lips, I did go in with a brush, and I applied some of, well, one of CoverGirl's 24 matte lipsticks in the shade High Roller. And I really liked how this came out. I was thinking of putting a gloss on top, but I decided to just leave it matte just because I don't think a demon would have glossy lips. So I just kept it matte. And then I did go over with the crayon again on the edges just to make it look a little bit more ombre and not so much like the burgundy shade that I applied in the center. And now I'm just gonna do the last touches on the costume. I did get these flowers in this piece of fabric from Walmart, and I decided to just make a veil out of it. The flowers did come together, and I cut them apart, and I just stuck them to the veil with some bobby pins. So the bobby pins is what's holding the flowers and the veil together. And I decided to just apply some blood and some blood scab to the flowers just because I don't want them to look too clean, because that's not realistic when a demon is going to get married. So that's what I did, and I really like how this came out. And that is it for this tutorial, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys liked this Halloween tutorial. If you guys recreate it or do something similar, tag me in your posts. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Happy Halloween, and be safe out there, you guys. Spooky season is almost over, and I'm so sad. Bye, guys.